In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and when to use rollup summary fields. Rollup summary fields in Salesforce let you automatically calculate values from related child records and display the result on a parent record. They're perfect for totals, counts, and min-max values across related data, and they update automatically as child records change. One important note up front, rollup summaries work when the parent and child are connected by a master detail relationship. If you don't see the child object you expect later on, it's likely a lookup relationship instead. Let's build one together. Start by going to Salesforce and opening your org. From the navigation bar, click on Settings, then choose Open Advanced Setup to jump into the Setup area. In Setup, open Object Manager. Here, pick the parent object that will hold the rollup result. This is your master object, such as account or any custom parent that has a master detail child. Inside the object, go to Fields and Relationships and click New. From the list of field types, choose Rollup Summary, then click Next. You'll land on the configuration page. Enter a clear field label and let the field name auto-populate or refine it if needed. A descriptive label helps admins and users understand exactly what's being calculated. Next, select the summarized object, the child records you want to roll up from. This pick list only shows objects that are in a master detail relationship with the parent you selected. If the object you need isn't listed, that's a sign the relationship is a lookup. In that case, consider using a flow-based rollup or another solution. Now choose the rollup type. Count tallies how many child records meet your criteria. Sum adds up a numeric field like a total amount. Min and max find the smallest or largest value across the related records. Pick the option that matches your use case, then choose the specific field to summarize if you selected sum, min, or max. Optionally, define filter criteria to include only certain child records. This is great for focusing on specific stages, statuses, or dates. For example, you might only count records marked as active. Finally, set field level security so the right profiles can see the field, and add it to the relevant page layout so it appears on record pages. Save your changes, and Salesforce will handle the calculations automatically from here. As child records are added, edited, or removed, your rollup summary updates to reflect the latest data. Use rollup summary fields when you need reliable real-time aggregation on the parent object and you have a master detail relationship. They're simple to maintain, performant, and ideal for executive or account level insights without manual reporting.